This trick is genius to cook a chicken and everybody needs to know it. We'll use one chicken breast here and cut it in half this way, like opening it, like this. Let's put a plastic on top of it and beat it very well to guarantee it will be very smooth. Now there's no secret, guys. Now in a tray, let's put 3 eggs. Let's season it with salt, black pepper, and beat it very well until it's all homogeneous. Then I'm gonna add parsley, 40 grams of Parmesan cheese, heavy cream. I'm using 3 tablespoons of it. And you can replace the cheese, the Parmesan cheese, by mozzarella if you want to. Now we'll use a cup of breadcrumbs, all right? You can buy in the supermarket or make it, you decided. Now let's take our chicken and put it in the chicken breast and then put it inside of the cream. The interesting is for you to put your favorite seasons here. Now in a frying pan, let's put a tablespoon of butter. And after melting it very well, we are going to bring our chicken and fry it very well. Fry it on one side, then turn it around to fry it on the other side. Super simple, guys. The butter will give a special touch to this recipe, will give an irresistible flavor to it. I also added some chicken sauce, okay? And now we're going to wait for it to reduce to become a cream. I'm also adding half a Sicilian lemon to squeeze it. Then let's put the chicken again in there, let it cook and reduce it very well until this syrup is very delicious. And our chicken is already done. It's super juicy on the inside, guys, crunchy on the outside. And this sauce here is delicious. Make it at your house and I'm pretty sure that you and all of your family is gonna fall in love with this recipe. You will want to make it every single day, seriously. You don't want to eat chicken every single day the same way. Now you have this different way to make it that you're gonna fall in love. As you can see, guys, very closely, it is super juicy on the inside, but crunch on the outside. I have no words to describe. The chicken with the egg fried on the butter is perfect. Make it at your house and come and tell me what you thought about it. Then send it to your friends. And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe. See you guys on the next video.